Howdy folks, welcome back to the shop. My name's Kevin. Today I've got just a quick little video, more of a public service announcement regarding extension cords. We've all got a pretty good idea what you do with them and what you don't do with them. This is not to be used as a tow rope. Don't make a trip hazard. Don't strangle yourself with it, and do not use it to get the hairdryer all the way to the deep end of the swimming pool. Bad ideas. One thing that people don't normally cover with them are these little these little reels to roll them up on. You can use the extension cord on this reel, just make sure it's kind of a light load or sporadic use. If you start to draw some amperage through this thing, especially if you're doing something continuously, if you're going to be drawing amperage through it for, quite some time, you need to take it off the reel. With it all rolled up, it becomes an inductive heater. And those are really cool things. We'll get into that in another video. But it creates heat. It can create a lot of heat. It can create a lot of heat. Oops. Yeah. Don't do it. Take your extension cord off the reel, and you can have it in long, loose loops, like as if you're just rolling it up to get it up out of the driveway real quick. Or you can have it on the floor if it's not going to be a tripping hazard for somebody, but don't leave it rolled up. So anyway, there you go. I've now got a nice little conversation piece that will no longer carry current. So have a good day, and we'll catch you next time around.